Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with my second Publix video. You all know I normally don't do Publix like this, but when the deal is good, you got to run. That Microban is a run deal, and if you want the razors, that's a run deal as well. The Microban is on clearance at Publix for $3.49 each. Now, not all scents are on clearance at the same time at the stores. So they'll either have the citrus by itself or the citrus and the lavender or the lavender and the fresh scent. So you just gotta be sure that you're looking at the tag and make sure you read it to pick up the correct ones that are ringing up for $3.49, because yes, some of them are still, even though it says clearance $6.99, that's the regular price. That is no clearance deal. So for every 2 cans of Microban, I paid 98 cents before tax, $1.54 after tax. So I only have 3 Publix accounts. My sister called me and let me use 4 of hers. So there we go. We picked up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 cans, people. 14 cans. 1 can is $7 by itself. So if you go into the Publix couponing app, you'll see a $6 off of 2. Do not use the P&G paper insert coupon. You will only get $3.49 off. It is better with the digital. It is giving you $6 off of 2 cans, and you only end up paying 98 cents plus tax. I've done this deal 1, 2, 3 with just 2 cans on them by themselves. Now, I also picked up the Big Soleil razors for women that sit up by the registers in some stores. Other stores, they're in the aisles. Now, my razors in my stores are ringing up $5.43. In the new extra savings booklet, there is a $2.50 off 1 coupon. Go to the Publix app, clip the $3 off Big Soleil. It's gonna have the men and women's on the photo. I personally picked up the women's because they are cheaper than the men. So after the razor, my order total was -7 cents. My sales tax was 43 cents. I ended up paying 36 cents out of pocket for 1 pack of razors. The next ones, I paired up 2 of the Microban cans and 1 razor. So the $2.50 came off for the razors, the $6 came off for the Microban, and the $3 also came off, leaving me with a total of 91 cents before taxes. My tax was 99 cents, so $1.90 for the 3 products. Now, remember the coupon expires today, both of them. If you do not get in there and do it today, you will not be able to do it tomorrow. I've been getting people saying that the clearance tag says $6.99. That's not clearance, that's regular. Although they want to put clearance on it, it must be the one that says $3.49. I submitted my receipts to Fetch. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed on Fetch, they have the daily play where you get extra bonus points. I will be scanning all of my receipts except 2 of them, because I have to scan those later on tonight. Well, everyone, that is all I have for you today. Remember, it is a run deal. It will be a dead deal tomorrow. So please run out and pick up your Microban. Let me show you what the UPC is on the lavender and the citrus cans. Again, I'm not sure if you talk to your managers and show them the posts that are going around for $3.49, if they'll adjust it. If not, I'm not quite sure how each individual Publix works, but let me show you the barcode. This is the barcode for the citrus can. There it is, 15-ounce can. This is the barcode for the lavender can. And it too is 15 ounces. Now let me say this, I sent this deal to my brother who lives up in Tennessee, and he couldn't find it in his store. Where I found mine is exactly at the bottom of all of the Airwick plugs and the Febreze sprays and all that stuff. On the bottom shelf is where I saw it next to the that spray Clorox sanitizer that they have. That's like a refill bottle or something like that. That's where I saw it next to. So it will be on the aisle that has the dish detergent and the laundry detergent, not on the paper aisle, and it'll be down by the air wick and the Glade and all that good stuff down there. This is all I have for you today. I am taking a break tomorrow. It is New Year's. Happy New Year's to all of you. Happy holidays, happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate. This is a time to just gather with family and enjoy them and be thankful for the things that you all have done together, accomplished, that you're even still here. I know there are a lot of families that have loved ones that have passed away around the holidays. So let's be mindful of them and just wish them happy holidays as well. Until next time, see you on the next one. Bye.